Are you a wolf, lion, or tiger? Choose one each time. Pick a magical crown. Choose a forest path. What's your element? Pick a celestial body. Choose a magical eye. Pick a secret hideout. Choose a power crystal. What's your best trait? Pick a time of day. Choose a spirit guardian. Pick a magical flower. Choose a mysterious door. What's your dream power? Pick an ancient rune. Choose a magical potion. Pick a fantasy landscape. Choose a warrior weapon. What's your battle cry? Pick a royal accessory. Choose a mythical snack. Pick a magical mirror. Choose a spirit aura. What's your soul melody? Pick a glowing symbol. Choose a dream catcher. Pick an ancient statue. Choose a magical key. What's your inner light? Pick a fantasy companion. Choose a magical ring. Pick a weather phenomenon. Choose a spirit totem. What's your magic source? Pick a sacred location. Choose a magical scent. Pick a fantasy emblem. Choose a spirit path. What's your true power? Pick a final destiny. Choose your legacy. Let's see which result fits you best. Enjoy. From 40 to 66 stars, you're the mystic wolf. From 67 to 93 stars, you're the Regal Lion. From 94 to 120 stars, you're the fierce tiger. Thank you for watching. Drop what you got in the comments and let's compare vibes.